is Natalie, coming to you on a very gloomy Wednesday. It's gray, it's cold, it's raining. But anyway, I want to put a little bit of color in your life and kind of show you this book that is available on Amazon now. It's called Lord Help Me To Flourish, and it's a coloring devotional. I recorded a little video to show you inside. That little peek inside our book. There's a lot more to come because there are actually 15 devotionals in our book. We want to share a lot, Leila and I. So in the coming weeks, we'll have different videos and fun posts and things like that. Find us on Facebook, on our page, Lord Help Me To Flourish, or connect directly with us, Natalie Villeneuve or Leila Grandemange. Find us on our website and just connect with us. We want to help you to stay creative, be positive, and be in the Word of God. Okay, so I'll see you until my next video. Be blessed. Bye-bye.